Boyki? Kom. Det baby, kom. Skal vi lave video sammen, baby? Det er så mærkeligt, baby. Skal vi lave video sammen? Skal vi lave video? Kori, bliv her. Kori, bliv her. Gullig. Kori. She's not in filming mood right now. Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this cutie here. Not really active, but cute. Just do it. And I was thinking, well, I haven't even talked about you, Kori, in my first video, where I was introducing myself, because you are actually a pretty important part of my life. Preach. But I was thinking, my dog is really weird, and I think that it could actually be fun to make a video with her. Kori, kiss ham her! Hey, kiss! Kom bare! Yeah, my dog doesn't even get that I'm going to give her a treat. Let me go on. Skal du have en kigger, Camilla? En kigger? Kom. Endelig. So Kori is currently 11 years old, so this is why she's just sleeping and not making something funny or cute. Okay, but she can be pretty weird. So Kori is a Labrador. She's golden, as you can see, and we just got her normally at the breeder as a baby. But my mom said that Cora sounded like Cobra, and that's why she didn't want to get her. But we ended up getting her, and she was the only one. I think she had 11 siblings, and and Kori was the only one who was never sleeping. She was always biting. She was always the most cheekiest. So we really expected the worst when we would come home with her. But we took her home, and the day that we took her home, she was sleeping all the time. She was, yeah, Kori, you were so lazy. You were so lazy. Yeah. Nej, det er Kori. Kosti. Stop. Så Kori. Ej, Kori. Kom der. Kom. Her. Kom. My dog is so stupid. Kori. Nej, kom der. Ja, sådan rundt. Nej. Kori, lige der. Så. Sit. Kom. Kori, stop lige. Stop. Nu må jeg lige mamma ind. Lige her. Stop. Kori. Okay, guys, this is my dog. She's a magical dog. So Kori is really stubborn. If she, for example, let's say we're going for a walk and we are going to the right, but Kori wants to go to the left, then you really have to force her to go with you. It's so stupid. She looks so cute when she does that. She gets like No.
Kom baby. Jeg ved det ikke. Vi kan prøve en gang at være ligesom at gøre sådan. Prøv en gang at bare gå bare ligesom normalt, når vi siger. Baby?
What the F are you doing? So guys, this is my dog. If you would turn to the camera, please. Baby, can you come here? Sit. Stop. Stop, baby. Sit. It doesn't get what's happening. Okay, this is my dog. This is Kori. Okay, actually, her name is Cora, but I call her Cory, or Baby, or Bebs, or Knots. She got so many weird nicknames. Like, I don't even know where they come from. So cute. Can I see you when you're there? Ah, baby. Cory has a special talent for always lying in the way. Like, for example, when you're in the kitchen, she's always lying in front of the oven or in front of the wash, no, what do you call it, the sink, and anything. I can't see you, Cory. It's not easy to film with you, Cory. Cory loved snow. She's so into like when there's like snow or anything, like or leaves, for example. She's like rolling in it and taking her head inside. It's so weird. I can plads. Are you looking cute now? You're too light. Oh, Cory. Sit. Oh. She's taking my hand. Cory is not really a dog. She's kind of like something between. She barks like, when she's barking, she sounds like a sea lion. She is eating grass like a cow. I mean, I know that dogs are doing this, but she's like eating it all the time. She's washing her toys like a raccoon. Like, for example, she's taking her toys into her water bowl and just like dip them in and dip them out and then take them away. Baby. Put ned. Put. Nej, der. Det. 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 Ah, Cory, so disgusting. Okay. Come, Lisa. She doesn't want to make a video, but Cory, you're going to become a YouTube star. Cory, don't you want to be a YouTube star? Cory, come on, please don't here. No, okay. And I don't know why she started on this, but I think it's about a year ago that she started to bark extremely after we have finished dinner. She's like going crazy. I don't know why.
For der er andre, ikke? De to på de to, dem ved jeg selvfølgelig godt, hvad det hedder. Det var min og min kone sammen også ved, ikke? Så er de tre andre. Jeg ved, hvis der er en, der spørger mig, hvad hedder ham der? Jeg ved ikke, hvem man er, ikke? Men jeg ved ikke, hvad jeg ved. De tre hvilken navn kender. Det er pinligt, ikke?
Det var dog til starten, det var net af hjørnet.
Ja, jamen det er det samme, ikke? Det er derfor, jeg kommer til at tænke på det.
Hvad er det, de der sikkerhed? Kan jeg sætte tallerken ned i hovedet på dig? På gulvet, mener jeg.
Ja, sådan her.
Det er ikke tallerken.
Åh, Cory. Oh my god. Like Cory. But Cory, look this. She usually never poops. And when she was younger and she was like playing and running around, she always just sounded like a pig. She's like all the time. She's so weird. Ah, Cory. Wait, can you see? And Cory, she really... Cory, she's getting so aggressive of this nose. Like, for example, if you're like doing her like doot on her face, she's going crazy. I mean, not anymore that much because she got so old, but when like maybe a year ago she was really going crazy. Hey baby, what do you call it? Lady bird? Beetle? Something, you know, you can see what it is, yeah. She's so boring. And she's deaf AF. I swear that she cannot hear you. Sometimes you're exactly behind of her and then you're like, Cory, and she doesn't hear anything, and then you just tap her like on her back or anything. She is being so shocked. This is so weird.
Bully! Knahis! Hvad laver du? Baby? She's so deep, I swear.
I remember that I said that Cory was a magical dog, It's because always when my mom is outside with my dog, like going for a walk, or she's just in the garden to pee, my mom is going back, and then my dog, I don't know, she's like sniffing? She's sniffing or just looks at something, and my mom is like, she's turning around and says, Corey, come on, like come now. And in the moment that my mom is turning to my dog again to say that she should come, I think it was like 5 times now in 3 years that she saw that, just because of her, that she saw a shooting star. Like, I mean, it happened, I swear, I promise you, it even happened today. My mom was going with her and my dog didn't want to come, and my mom was turning around, and in the second that my mom was turning around, she saw a shooting star between 2 clouds. So beautiful. That's why you are a magical dog, baby. It's a magical baby, she flies to the sky. And we just got her at normal, like, baby. I'm going to introduce you to this one. Oh, all by myself. So